Aside from the desktop version, a mobile version of BIM-EMS is available as well. This version can be accessed by navigating to the regular URL of any BIM-EMS instance and adding /app. For example, visiting demo50.bimkeeper.com/app will open the mobile version of the request demo. Alternatively, navigate to the regular URL and press on the Use our mobile app button below the Login button. To avoid having to enter the URL every time, a shortcut can be added to the home screen. When using Google Chrome, for example, the triple dot button should be pressed first. Then, the Install App button should be pressed. Finally, after pressing on Install, an icon will be added to the home screen. The app manual explains how this process works when using iOS instead of Android. When opening the mobile version, the login page is shown. Logging in can be done using the same credentials as the desktop version. When logged in, the main menu is shown. From the menu, 3D models of complexes can be viewed, as well as the list of requests. When pressing on the 3D model button, a complex can be chosen from the list to view in 3D. After selecting a complex, the Load Models button should be pressed. In the 3D viewer, the view can be rotated, zoomed out or in, and moved by using 1, 2, or 3 fingers respectively. The viewer can be used both in landscape mode or portrait mode. Going back to the menu is done by pressing the back arrow button. For more information on the viewer itself, reference the 3D viewer manual. Pressing the request button will show the overview of requests. Pressing on a request will show the details that belong to the respective request, such as creation date, the name of the requester, and the current state. Requests can be added as well by pressing on the Create a Request button. The app allows for adding an image and a description to the request as well. The complex that the request is related to can also be selected from here. To confirm the request, the Send Request button needs to be pressed. Now, the created request will be added to the list. More in-depth information on requests can be found in the request manual. For more information, visit demo.bimkeeper.com or reference the BIM-EMS manual. The links can be found in the description.